proper planning for the target, right? So see, you know, you have to plan the things. You have to plan the things according to your target and according to the stage where you are. If you are in the middle of your semester, you have to target in a way that you have to achieve that target, right? So the thing is ki, how do we plan the things? How does one achieve how, because see, making a plan is subjective to you only. For example, if you have made a plan, that's not that is not surely would benefit me also, because that plan has been created on the basis of your weeks and your highs, right? So this is a subjective thing. One makes the plan that suits to you only. Without plan, believe me, you are it will be very hard for you to survive during the MBBS course. Whatever you have to do, just make a plan, because that is a single thing that would benefit you a lot. But see, everyone knows planning helps, but a few only can make a plan, because see, making a plan is a very much very difficult thing. It's a tricky thing, basically, not difficult, tricky thing. Plan everyone can make, but to make a proper and good plan that suits you is the thing. So the thing is, there is a brief slides on how to make a proper plan. See, they are just brief points to do, what to do or what not to do. But there can be a whole class on how to make a proper plan, right? So just we will talking briefly through this topic. So see, first of all, thing is that the plans you made should always be a practical target. Example, you are planning to study 4 chapters a day is not practically possible. But you, if you are and that would be ultimately hurting you, and due to which you will never ever make a plan in future again also. So you have to you have to use a practically target. You have to make a practical targets, not the targets which you want, but what you can achieve basis on your history, or on your on your capacities, right? Don't For example, if I am planning to study whole anatomy in one day, no use, not at all gonna benefit me. And ultimately I gonna hurt, and I will never ever make a plan, right? But if I am saying that I will be doing this 4 pages a day, I will be doing this 4 page today, and only this, that would benefit me 100%. So the thing is to how to set a target for making a plan, right? You have to set the target on the basis of your record from your previous study. Let me explain this point. For example, I am studying 4 pages a day, right? And this is my maximum capacity. Now I make a plan to study 10 pages a day. That's not practically possible, and that's going to ultimately hurt you, right? But if I'm saying that I will be studying 5 pages a day, right, that's a little bit more. I was studying 4 pages, but now I have to expand only increase 1 page a day. That's a achievable target, and that is on the basis of how I'm selecting 5 pages a day. Maybe that are more for me and lesser for you. So basically I have to select it from the previous records of my study, that okay, I can study 4 pages. I have to lock it and study 5 pages a day, and that's a achievable target, right? And one point more, make see, you have to there is a general framework of making a plan. So first of all, make a plan first for 1 week, and then analyze it, and then make another plan, keeping in mind the laggings in the previous plan. See, if you are making a plan, right, and you know that you are like for 1 week, and you know that this were the problems in executing the plan, then make plan for another 1 week and clear that problems. So in during by this way you are making a plan for 1 week. You are having problems, you face it in your next week plan. Okay, you have their problems, you execute, you counter them in your next plan, and with this you can make a good plan, right? uh, and then there are some things that I would suggest you, that never ever think that one will make a plan in a one go. If I am thinking now also now that I can make a plan that can benefit me in a one go, never ever. Every exam, every MBBS exam, every NEET PG exam, any type of exam, you know, require some specifications, right? And and every person has specific problems at different spaces of life. So plan making a plan will take time, right? And it is the art which one gains with the time, not that you will gain it in one go. And other thing also, that once you made a plan, now try to always stick to the plan as much as possible, because see, a plan is a basically a boat through which you can cross the river, right? So always stick to your boat, always stick to your plan.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.